Your entryway is the first thing guests see when they walk into your home, so why not make it as festive and welcoming as possible? From wreaths and garlands to lights and personalized touches, decorating your entryway can set the tone for a magical holiday season. But what are the best ways to style it to make a lasting impression? Stick around, because I'm about to share some beautiful Christmas entryway decor ideas that will create a warm, inviting space everyone will love. What are some classic Christmas entryway decor ideas? Classic Christmas decor always brings that timeless holiday charm and makes any entryway feel warm and cozy. Here are some classic ideas to make your entryway feel festive and inviting. Evergreen garland. Drape a lush garland along your staircase railing or around your entryway door. Add red berries, pine cones, and a string of white lights for that warm, traditional holiday glow. Wreath on the door. A classic wreath with evergreen branches, red ribbons, and small ornaments is a must for any entryway. This traditional piece gives a welcoming touch before guests even walk through the door. Lanterns with candles. Place lanterns filled with LED candles along your entryway. The warm, flickering lights create a cozy ambiance and make guests feel instantly at home as they walk in. If these classic entryway ideas are inspiring you, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who are getting ready to decorate their homes for Christmas. How can you create a modern Christmas entryway? If you prefer a sleek and contemporary style, there are plenty of ways to design a Christmas entryway that feels fresh and stylish. Here are some ideas to bring a modern edge to your holiday decor. Monochromatic decor. Choose a single color scheme, like all whites, silvers, or golds, and keep it consistent throughout your entryway. This minimalist approach gives a clean, modern look that's elegant and festive. Geometric shapes and metallic accents. Add geometric ornaments, metallic trees, or a modern wreath made of metal and glass. These accents give your entryway a trendy, artistic feel that's perfect for a modern home. Sleek lighting fixtures. Use sleek, understated lighting fixtures, like string lights in clear bulbs or small pendant lights. The soft, warm glow complements a modern style without overwhelming the space. If you're going for a modern holiday look this season, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more chic Christmas decor ideas. What are some DIY Christmas entryway decor ideas? Adding DIY decorations to your entryway is a fun and affordable way to personalize your space. Here are some DIY Christmas entryway ideas that are easy to make and will give your entryway a unique, homemade touch. DIY holiday sign. Make a wooden sign with a festive saying like Merry Christmas or Welcome. Paint it in holiday colors, or add a rustic touch by distressing the wood. This personalized sign is a warm and friendly welcome for guests. Homemade garland. Create your own garland using pine cones, cinnamon sticks, dried oranges, and holiday ribbons. Hang it along the entryway table or mirror for a natural, festive look that smells amazing too. DIY snowy mason jars. Coat mason jars in white paint or faux snow. Add tea lights inside and place them on your entryway table. These glowing jars look like little winter wonderlands and add a cozy touch. If you love DIY projects, hit that subscribe button for more creative and budget-friendly holiday decor ideas you can make yourself. How can you make your entryway look luxurious for Christmas? To create a luxurious look, it's all about choosing high-quality materials and elegant accents that make your entryway feel rich and inviting. Here's how to design a Christmas entryway that feels both elegant and festive. Velvet and satin accents. Use velvet or satin ribbons on your garland, wreath, or entryway table decor. Deep colors like emerald, burgundy, and navy create a luxurious feel and add richness to the space. Crystal and metallic ornaments. Incorporate crystal or metallic ornaments into your garland and wreath. These reflective materials catch the light beautifully, adding sparkle and sophistication to your entryway. Gold candle holders and lanterns. Swap out basic lanterns for gold or brass candle holders and lanterns. The warm metallic tones add an upscale look that complements a luxurious Christmas theme perfectly. If you're going for a luxurious look this holiday season, give this video a like and check out the description for links to some of my favorite high-end decor pieces. What are some unique Christmas entryway decor ideas for a non-traditional look? Want your entryway to stand out with a little more personality this year? Here are some unique Christmas entryway ideas that bring a creative twist to your holiday decor. Coastal Christmas theme. Decorate with a coastal twist by using driftwood, shells, and sea-inspired ornaments. Add pops of teal, blue, and white to bring that beachy feel to your holiday decor. Woodland theme. Use natural elements like pine cones, moss, birch logs, and small woodland animals to create a cozy, woodsy look. This theme adds a warm, rustic vibe and brings the outdoors in. Retro vintage theme. Decorate with vintage-inspired ornaments, a small tinsel tree, or retro signs. Bold colors like pink, turquoise, and red create a fun, nostalgic feel that's both festive and unique. Which unique entryway decor idea are you excited to try this holiday season? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to check out the description for links to similar decor items. How can you involve your family in decorating the Christmas entryway? Making your entryway a family decorating project can add extra meaning and memories to your holiday decor. Here are some ideas to involve everyone in creating a festive, welcoming entryway. Family ornament garland. Have each family member choose or create their own ornament to hang on a garland. This personalized garland shows off everyone's unique style and makes the entryway feel special and inclusive. Photo frame display. Create a photo display with favorite family holiday photos from past years. Use a vintage frame, add twinkle lights, and hang it in the entryway to remind everyone of special holiday memories. DIY countdown calendar. Set up a DIY countdown calendar in the entryway where each family member can open a new treat or small surprise each day. This adds excitement and makes the entryway a fun spot for everyone to visit. If you're planning a family decorating day, share this video to inspire other families to create meaningful holiday decorations together. So there you have it, 6 beautiful, creative, and family-friendly Christmas entryway decor ideas to make your home feel warm and welcoming this holiday season. Whether you're going for a classic look, a luxurious vibe, or something completely unique, these entryway ideas will set the tone for a joyful Christmas celebration. Remember, your entryway is the first thing guests see, so have fun and make it festive.